Okay, guys, before I go any further, I just want you to see the clippings that I'm talking about. So let's jump into it. Welcome back to Aromatic Realistic TV. Over here, we bring you content with substance and clarity. Before I get started tonight, just gonna roll out a little of the Jamaican something here. Good old Appleton rum. Yeah. Cheers to some cranberry juice. Cheers to life. Take a one sip. Yeah, man. Yeah, we have to support Jamaica, you know. Cheers to Jamaica. Cheers to Jamaica. Take a one sip. Can't support NSC and syrup them every day. Them not making a Jamaica. So what I mean, we still a spend our money and we still a support with Jamaican entrepreneur them. That's what I mean? So, yeah, man, a Appleton we say, man. Don't go around with thing, man. A Jamaican thing. That's what I mean? It's all about race and class. Yeah, man. Racism and them thing they them thing they not going away. Them thing they're vibrant. Them thing they're up and running. That's what I mean. So yeah, man, a real thing, man. We know that our bobsled team is in Beijing, China, gearing up for the Winter Olympics, which due for the next maybe week and a half. I think it's due to start on the 4th of February. But, you know, I see this clip and, you know, it was a very disturbing clip. And trust me, I have to bring some highlight to this. So what I mean, because a bus pull up. It was in China, you know, in Beijing. And a bus pull up. One of them huge coach, you know, bus pull up with some athletes. I don't know if they're from Jamaica, if they're from Africa, where they're from. But guys, it was disturbing to listen how the Chinese people them stand up out there. So we know that the Winter Olympics is like a week and a half away, you know, due to start February 4th. And we know that our own bobsled team is there. And I see this clipping, you know, and it was very disturbing, very much disturbing. You know, as the athlete, they were, you know, coming off the bus, you know, and some Chinese supporters were there. And they were chanting the N-word slogan. And we all know what that meant. And I was swearing there as well too. And I look at it and I said, in the 21st century, in the 21st century, this is what taking place in this day and age. Trust me, man. It was disturbing. You see it. But the reason why I shed some highlight on this, you know, it's about the people them who they run for the country. The past and the current. saying who they try sell out our country to the Chinese them. And them thing there were pain you like me heart. Cause me a fight, you know. But I'm a teenage youth that me a fight for. So what I mean, my daughter them and my son them. And them me a fight for. So what I mean, and my grandkids them. And them me a blaze the fire for. Cause them now have a voice, you know. So me have a voice for them. Yeah, man, me have a voice for them, man. Thing disturbing, man. Now the 21st century. And when we see our current Prime Minister now, come like him want to sell out the whole of Jamaica to the Chinese them. That's what I mean. He want to sell out Jamaica to the whole of Chinese them. See, and them people are spit blatant racist them that. That's what I mean. And at them you want to come sell out the country to Mr. Prime Minister. I wonder if you see that clip there. I don't know if you see that clip there. But remember, say we athlete them dead now, you know. To participate. That's what I mean. And this is how them greet the athlete them coming off the bus. You know, see it? So what I want to try to show Jamaican, you know, and Jamaicans need to understand. Seeing, you see them people, them divide and rule. And you see what about to take place in Jamaica? People need to wake up and see what's going on. You know? Because you see any of them, the people get to take over Jamaica. Okay, guys, let's check out the clippings one more time.
Nigger! 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 Get out of China! Nigger! 别他妈笑了 Nigger! Fuck you!
Any of them people get to take over Jamaica at the rate all them are going, you know. Remember me tell you, we go and get treated down in that like a dog and drunk up, walk pan and kick pan. Jamaican, we no go in our one country and no have a say in our country. We no don't have a say in our country. Because, you know, the thing is this, you know, we all know what those people are. They are only pretenders, dog. They are only pretenders. You know, see it? But I just want every Jamaican to wake up. See what I mean? And see, say, them people, now in the best interest of it. Because remember, you know, they make billions of dollars down in Jamaica, you know. But them not save it there in a road, boy. Them send it back out elsewhere, you know. Go bank that. That's one I think will make our economy is in a shamble. So what I mean? Because what's causing that, I don't know. Did I take another sip? Yeah, man, a real thing, man. But as I said, the thing was disturbing. The thing not look good. The thing not look good. Seeing the thing not look good. Mr. Prime Minister, the thing not look good. Ease up half of the selling. Ease up half of the selling. Because, you know, because if the man there, you know, buy out Jamaica fully, you know, Jamaicans, you know, will be treating like a dog in their own country. You know. They will be treating like a shit in their country. You know. Like a drunk, you know. No respect, you know. No value, you know. You know, wake up, man. And look on the thing. Go left it clipping again. And make you see what me I talk about. Seeing thing grimy. It look good. It look good, the thing grimy. It look good. But anyway, people, stay tuned, man, to Aromatic Realistic TV. And as I said, over here, I bring you content with substance and clarity. See what I mean? Mad love. Peace. I'm out. Now that's it.
Nigger，干他们China Nigger，别他妈笑了，Nigger，fuck you。